Today, we will talk about the discounted payback period. The discounted payback period is a capital budgeting procedure used to determine the profitability of a project. It gives the number of years it takes to break even from undertaking the initial expenditure, factoring in the time value of money. The metric is used to evaluate the feasibility and profitability of a given project. When deciding on any project to embark on, a company or investor wants to know when their investment will pay off, meaning when the cash flows generated from the project will cover the cost of the project. The basic method of the discounted payback period involves taking the future estimated cash flows of a project and discounting them to the present value, and then comparing it to the initial outlay of capital for the investment. To calculate the discounted payback period, the periodic cash flows of a project must be estimated, and reduced by their present value factor to reflect the discounting process. The discounted payback period process is then applied to each additional period's cash inflow to find the point at which the inflows equal the outflows, and the project's initial cost has been paid off. The payback period measures the amount of time for a project to break even in cash collections using nominal dollars, while the discounted payback period reflects the amount of time necessary to break even in a project, based not only on what cash flows occur but when they occur and the prevailing rate of return in the market. An example of the discounted payback period is when a project requires an initial cash outlay, is expected to return a specific amount of cash in subsequent periods, and the appropriate discount rate is applied. By calculating the discounted payback period, the investor gains an understanding of how soon the investment will be recouped by the project's estimated cash flows. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The discounted payback period is used as part of capital budgeting to determine which projects to take on. 2. More accurate than the standard payback period calculation, the discounted payback period factors in the time value of money. 3. The discounted payback period formula shows how long it will take to recoup an investment based on observing the present value of the project's projected cash flows. 4. The shorter a discounted payback period is, means the sooner a project or investment will generate cash flows to cover the initial cost. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.